Hey, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be a dive into a completely customized WooCommerce My Account page using Elementor Page Builder. By the end of the video, you will learn how to create a completely completely design a dashboard page. So I have learned about this topic from YouTube because but I didn't find any kind of resource that doing stuff this kind of stuff very easily. So today's video will be that this video actually will helps you to create a dashboard page for you as very easily. So here as you can see, these are the download page. This is the download page or some my account page. If I log out this page, it will redirect to the authentication page, that is login and registration. After I have already registered on this email. I'm just logging the email or username with this login credential, and it will redirect to the my account page. Right, so my account page here, as you can see, these are the some of dynamic content, that is content, SEO. These are the SEO post, video post, and all tutorial, all tool post, AI tool post, and this is watching all the design from actually custom post type. I made a custom post type from WordPress, and if you actually want to know about how to create custom post type, simply go to my YouTube channel and just find this video. This WordPress expert reveal custom post types secret with SCF plugin. SCF plus right now it's called SCF secure custom field. If you watch this video, you will master watch this 20-minute video, you will master about the custom post type. So one more interesting thing is, if you actually learn how to create custom post type, it actually affect to your entire skill. So you have to learn must in this topic, that is SCF. So I will highly recommend if you must use this uses of this plugin. Okay, so hi, it's me Faisal Jaman. Today's video will be very interesting would be. So if you think this video is actually very helpful or not, please comment below, because YouTube algorithm will understand this video is truly helpful or not, because of some of our brother actually suffered this kind of issue. They cannot make custom post type, or they cannot make how to create a dashboard page. So this video will recommend to YouTube that brothers, so they are actually suffer. So if you think my video, you just scroll my YouTube channel and see my video. If you think this video is very helpful, please comment below and share your opinion. That's very important for my my video ranking or subscriber, all everything, sir. Okay, so now let's jump to our topic. So here we will do first child theme create. Okay, so first what you're gonna do, we will clone we will that is child, we will create a child theme. So child theme basically it's a theme. If I go to appearance and go to theme, I have already installed a theme, that is Woostify. So Woostify actually theme. So now we will create a child theme, because if we create the child theme, we ensure the change won't be overwritten during the theme update. So here you go to your appearance of plugin option and add new plugin. Here we will install a plugin for creating a child theme. So in that you can do it by customly, but I will use my plugin, that is child child theme. So these are the child theme. So once you create a child theme, you can remove the plugin, so don't worry about it. All right, so here are we have installed a child theme and child option plugin, and now going to user going to tool option, and let's click this child theme option. And here are the create child theme, and which theme actually we want to make a child. That I actually select the theme, that is Woostify, and just click analyze. It will take a few seconds. After complete the child theme, here what you're gonna do, and lastly you just select this option, that is this option replace the child theme existing menu. Just click this one and just click create new child theme. Okay, here the pop-up, this child theme Ustify has been generated successfully, and here you can go to just this option file, and you will just select this file and footer.php and header.php. Sometime it needed we need this php file of footer and header, and here would be the copy selected to child theme. Okay, our child theme is ready. Now going to the appearance option and going to theme option, and this is the Woostify child. We will just click this active option. The child theme is activated. Now we will remove the plugin, that is plugin section going to, and going to clicking this install buttons, and child theme, that is this one, the plugin. Just click deactivate it and hit delete and okay. After delete the child theme, and here we will do the next step, that is modify WooCommerce dashboard.php file. So now we will customize the WooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to your WordPress WooCommerce folder, that is in order to navigate to your cPanel account or hPanel. So in this case I have Hostinger cPanel. So if you are a cPanel user, you just simply go to your file manager option. I'm logging the Hostinger account, and in your case you just log in your file manager on your cPanel and go to your subdomain public.html or main domain public.html. In that case here I'm going to this website option, and in my website this is the e-commerce, so that was a learner. I'm just going to this dashboard option, and here I will just going to, this is a subdomain, and just going to this file manager. It's similarly like cPanel, hPanel or cPanel, quite the same. Here simply just go to this public HTML, and this is the subdomain, the e-commerce, and going to this WP content plugin, and here I will just going to this folder, that is WooCommerce. Now we will move forward the plugin, that is template folder, and click I'm just drive this folder into this folder, and here the folder name is my account. Just open the my account. Here I will download the file, that is dashboard. So this is a dashboard file. I will download this one. Just download this, it will download it. Okay, now go back to our dashboard. Now go back to our root folder, that is WP content, and going to this theme option. And remember, that is we have already created a theme, a child theme, that is Woostify child. It's already been activated. I'm just opening this folder, and here I will create a new folder, that is WooCommerce. Spelling must needed, WWCOMMERC WooCommerce, and hit create. And in this WooCommerce we will create another folder, that is my account, and create. In this my account we will upload the dashboard file. Just click upload file and upload the dashboard. It's been already updated. Now go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here the WordPress dashboard. Here the WordPress dashboard, and going to appearance. In this appearance just click the theme file, the theme editor, and this is a child theme, and this is the we have set a file, that is footer.php and header.php. So in this option there is WooCommerce we have created right now, and also my account. In this my account we have a folder, we have a file, that is dashboard. So dashboard, that means dashboard are we will customize either dashboard, all our code for dashboard page. So if I go to page and going to all page, and here I will open this my account page and click view option. Here are some stuff like hello admin. We will remove this portion. So in order to do, I'm just go back this tab. So these are the hello option and logout option. That means these are the tag of the first tag and last tag. I will remove this portion and update. If I check the my account page again, let's refresh it. As you can see, it's already been removed. So now what you're gonna do, we will remove all those stuff like this one. So in order to do, here I will delete this p tag, and it's been deleted, and click update file. All right, so if I go back to refresh the my account page, so my account page actually completely removed from here. Now we will add an action hook to show Elementor design on dashboard page. In order to do, you will just go to my website, that is w3learner.com, and here the tutorial folder, tutorial menu, and clicking this WordPress WooCommerce dashboard design, this post, and here are the custom snippet, that is add action hook. Just copy this portion and go back to your WordPress function.php. Here the appearance under the theme file, here you will just select the function.php, and last last portion you will just paste the code. Right now I don't change anything over here. Here I will replace the design of from Elementor, so I don't want to click update right now. Later I will do it, but you just do it just similarly. Okay, so one more important thing is, if you are if you are creating a WordPress website for your client, you just going to my website, and here the get Elementor Pro. From this affiliate link, if you want to purchase the Elementor Pro version, you just click this option, the Elementor Pro. And if you want to create if you want to need the domain and hosting, you just going to the get hosting, web hosting at Hostinger. You can purchase from my affiliate link. This is an important link. You can do it. I just announce to you. So this is the important thing, and this is the get theme and plugin package. So if you need this plugin, if you need this folder or this link, and I will announce that is here. I have some bundle package, that is here have all stuffs need for e-commerce website, like I have a theme, Elementor Pro, the GPL version Elementor Pro, and so many more plugin. For you will get just $20. So why you waiting? Just purchase from the for the bundle package. Okay, so now go back to your my account page, and so my account page, this is the my account page. I will go back here. I will going to my plugin section. We will create a new plugin, or we will download a new plugin. Just click add new plugin, and here you will just search like anywhere Elementor. So these are the anywhere Elementor. I will download this anywhere Elementor and hit activate. All right, so now I'm just going to this anywhere template and click all add new template over here, and these are the template file name. You will put any name. I will set it dashboard design, and here the click publish. And now similarly just click edit activation, edit to Elementor. Here actually what you're gonna do, like just click this plus icon, and here I will add a title, that is this one. This is the title name will be dashboard, and title should be centered portion, and typography will be larger, 80 pixel, and here I will add a divider. These are the divider, and divider in this divider I will add middle icon, that would be anything, user or home. These are the icon I will add into the in this option. And what you're going to do here, here you can add more and more stuffs, like if I click this one column structure, and if I go to my WordPress file, that is digitexa, and here I will go to page, my account page, view. So these are the file, this is the design. We can do it. Just simply go by download option, and here I will design it like similarly. So we can do it like taking a widget of image. So first of all we can do it container option, and this container I will duplicate it in the master of the container will do. Okay, the first delete this container, and again another the container option, and duplicate this of container, and the parent of the container we will set a direction with the horizontal. Okay, now make it another folder, another container. All right, so this container I will remove the extra padding. Done. And here first I will taking a image folder, image, and here we can set any image. Just select from your gallery and what image actually you need. These are the image WordPress. I will say I will use this one, WordPress, and select, and here I will type a text that is WordPress, and this text would be smaller and it's centered. And I will copy this design and paste it over here. Also paste it over here, and again copy this text and paste it also over here, paste it also over here. I'm just changing the image, this image from this image for actually this Windows, and I will upload another file that is security option, and I'm uploading the Windows WINDOWS Windows, and these are the another one that is security. Security option, and done. You can do it multiple time similarly. Okay, just hit publish and go back to your WordPress dashboard and click all template file over here. You will just see insert Elementor ID. This is the shortcode. I actually need the PHP file in order to do. I will just clicking this in order to here shortcode is showing, but I need PHP code. That is if I go to this edit option, here you will get the PHP code shortcode. So I will go copy this one, and here you can see the shortcode. I will paste it over here. All right, so here we will the do shortcode is echo. I'm just copying the shortcode. These are the shortcode. I'm already copied and paste it over here. So just click update file, and now go to your my account page and refresh the page. Your WordPress dashboard is customized dashboard. So here you can put the link, you can design anything. So this is the custom dashboard design. So I hope this design actually very finally actually let take your user experience as a next level by adding this kind of custom design element after the add to cart button. Then you can do it this after add to cart button, this design going to the user dashboard, and yeah all our stuffs are done. So that's for today's tutorial. We will successfully design the customized WooCommerce my account page, and this page enhance your e-commerce store experience. If you found these videos very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.